Hello, welcome to BytePage. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to run C code in Visual Studio Code. First, you'll need Visual Studio Code installed on your computer. For downloading Visual Studio Code, follow these steps. Head over to code.visualstudio.com, download the setup for your operating system, and install it. For installation, do exactly as I show you. Open the vscode file. Now install vscode step-by-step as shown. Do every step carefully to avoid problems in future. Once done, fire it up. Next, you'll need a C compiler. For Windows, MinGW is a popular choice. Go to their website, download it, and make sure to add the bin directory to your system's path environment variable. If you're on macOS or Linux, you likely already have GCC installed, or you can install it via your package manager. When you open MinGW, you will see a window like this. Click Install in it, then click Continue. If you want to change the path, you can do so. The resource files will start downloading. After the download is complete, click Continue. Next, a window will appear. In this window, right-click on Ming32 GCC, G++, and Ming32 base, then select Mark for installation. After that, click the installation option in the left corner and select Apply Changes, then click Apply. The download and installation process will begin. Once you see that all changes were applied successfully, click Close. Now, copy the path of the bin folder where your MinGW folder is located. After that, open Edit Environment Variables for your account. Now click on Environmental Variables. Click New, then add your path and give the variable a name. Click OK, then click OK again. Now move on to Visual Studio Code. Now let's open the Extensions tab on the left-hand side, search for C++, and hit Install. This extension provides IntelliSense, debugging, and code navigation features for C and C++, and also install Code Runner extension. Time to write some code. Create a new file in VS Code and save it as hello.c. Let's write a simple program. Here's our classic Hello World program. Now, click the Run button in the upper right corner, then click Run Code. Your code will now give output in the terminal. If you need more tutorials on VS Code, if you encounter errors, double-check that your compiler is installed and added to the path, and check out my VS Code playlist in description. Also, make sure your VS Code extensions are installed and up to date. And that's it. Now your VS Code is ready to run C programs efficiently. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more programming tips. Thanks for watching.